Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Is this table available?
Yes, it is. Please have a seat. Welcome.
Thank you. It's really cozy in here.
Thanks. Here's your menu. Take your time.
Great, thanks. There are so many options. What do you recommend today?
Our grilled chicken sandwich is very popular, and the pasta is great too.
The chicken sandwich sounds good. Is the chicken grilled or fried?
It's grilled. You can also choose fried, but grilled is lighter.
Perfect. I'll take the grilled chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. Would you like fries or a salad on the side?
Fries, please.
Sure. And what would you like to drink?
Could I have a Coke, please?
Absolutely. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Got it. Would you like any sauces?
Yes. Can I get ketchup and mayo, please?
Of course. Anything else for you today?
Actually, do you have a soup or something light?
Yes, we have tomato soup and chicken noodle soup.
Tomato soup sounds nice. Can I add a small one?
Sure. Would you like it as a cup or a bowl?
A cup is fine.
No problem. So that's one grilled chicken sandwich, fries, a medium Coke, ketchup and mayo, and a cup of tomato soup.
That's correct.
Would you like to hear about dessert? We have cheesecake and ice cream.
Maybe later. I'll see after I eat.
Sounds good. The food will be out in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Buying coffee at a cafe. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Good morning. I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
What do you recommend?
Our latte is very popular. It's smooth and not too strong.
That sounds good. I'll have a latte.
Great. What size would you like?
A medium, please.
Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Would you like any milk in it?
Yes, regular milk is fine.
And would you like any sugar or syrup?
Just a little sugar, please.
No problem. Would you like something to eat as well?
Let me see. What pastries do you have?
We have croissants, muffins, and chocolate cookies.
I'll take a croissant.
Great choice. That will be $5.50.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in a moment.
Thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I just moved to this area.
Welcome. A lot of people like this cafe.
I can see why. It's very nice and cozy.
Thank you. We're glad you like it. Here is your latte and your croissant.
Great. Everything looks perfect.
Be careful, the coffee is hot.
Thank you for telling me.
Enjoy your coffee. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Taking a taxi to the airport.
Hello. Are you free? I need a taxi.
Yes, I'm free. Please get in.
Thank you so much.
Where would you like to go today?
Could you take me to the airport, please?
Sure. Which terminal do you need?
Terminal 4. The international terminal, please.
Got it. Do you have any luggage with you?
Yes, one big suitcase and a small bag.
No problem. I'll help you. I'll put the suitcase in the trunk.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, all set. Let's go.
How long will it take to get there?
About 40 minutes, depending on traffic. Longer during rush hour.
Okay, that should be fine. My flight is in 3 hours.
Then you have plenty of time. Highway or local roads?
Please take the fastest way. I don't want to be late.
All right, I'll take the highway. It's usually faster right now.
Thank you. About how much will it cost?
It depends on traffic, but usually around $50 to $70.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Yes, cash or card. Both are fine. Great. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Sure, thanks for reminding me.
No problem. Are you traveling for work or vacation?
For vacation. I'm visiting for a week.
Nice. I hope you have a great trip.
Thank you. That's very kind.
Immigration at the airport. Next, please. Passport.
Hi, here you go.
Where are you coming from today?
From Berlin, Germany.
What's the purpose of your trip to the United States?
Tourism. I'm here for vacation.
How long are you staying?
2 weeks.
Where will you stay in the U.S.?
At the City View Hotel in Manhattan, New York.
Do you have the address?
Yes, 123 Broadway, New York, NY.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm traveling alone.
What do you do for work?
I work in research.
Are you planning to work or study in the U.S. on this trip?
No, just tourism.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, I fly back on the 15th.
How much cash are you carrying?
Around $500, and I have credit cards.
Any food, plants, or items to declare?
Number? Just personal items.
All right, look at the camera for me.
Okay,
Place your fingers on the scanner.
sure.
All set. Welcome to the United States.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Hotel check-in.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel.
Good afternoon. I'd like to check in, please.
Of course. May I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Alex Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, I do. I booked online.
Great. May I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here you are.
Thank you. Let me check your reservation. Okay, I see your booking. You'll be staying for 2 nights, correct?
Yes, that's right.
You booked a single room with 1 bed.
Yes, that's fine.
Checkout time is 11 a.m. Is that okay for you?
Yes, that works for me.
Great. May I have a credit card for the deposit, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. The deposit will be returned after checkout.
Okay, thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Here is your room key. Your room is on the 3rd floor, room 305.
Great. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included. It's served from 7 to 10 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you.
The elevator is on your left. If you need anything, please let us know.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Buying flowers.
Hi, welcome to the flower shop. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a bouquet for my girlfriend.
Of course. Is it for a special occasion?
Yes, it's her birthday.
That's lovely. Many people choose roses for birthdays. Would you like red, pink, or white roses?
Red roses, please. They're her favorite.
Great choice. How many roses would you like?
Maybe 12?
A dozen roses is very popular. It looks romantic and elegant.
That sounds perfect. How much is it?
A dozen red roses is $40. We can also add a card for $2.
Okay, I'll take the dozen. And yes, I'd like a card, please.
Sure. What would you like to write on the card?
Happy birthday. Thank you for always making me smile. Love you.
That's very sweet. I'll write that for you.
Thank you.
Would you like the bouquet wrapped in paper or a gift box?
Paper is fine. Something simple and nice.
No problem. I'll wrap it with a ribbon. Here you go. How does it look?
Wow, it looks beautiful. She'll love it.
I'm glad to hear that. Will you be paying by cash or card?
By card, please.
Sure. Please tap your card here.
Done.
Great. Here's your receipt. I hope she has a wonderful birthday.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Returning a shirt. Hi, I'd like to return this shirt, please.
Of course. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me take a look. May I ask why you're returning it?
Sure, it's a bit too small for me.
I see. Did you try a larger size?
Yes, but it still didn't fit very well.
No problem at all. Was the shirt worn or washed?
No, it's new. I only tried it on once.
Great, that's fine. Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I'd like a refund, please.
Sure. How did you pay for it?
I paid by card.
Okay. I'll put the money back on your card. The refund may take 3 to 5 business days.
That's fine. Thank you for letting me know.
No problem. Here's your receipt for the return.
Thank you.
Would you like to look for another shirt today?
Not today, but maybe next time.
No worries. Thank you for shopping with us. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too. Bye. Doing laundry at a laundromat. Hi, is this washing machine free?
Yes, it is. You can use it.
Great, thank you.
No problem. Are you doing laundry for the first time here?
Yes, I am. I'm not sure how these machines work.
Don't worry, they're pretty easy to use.
That's good to hear. What should I do first?
First, put your clothes in the machine. Then add detergent here.
Okay, how much detergent should I use?
Just 1 cap is enough. Too much soap is not good.
Got it. Thanks for the tip.
You're welcome. After that, choose the water temperature.
I think I'll choose cold water.
That's a good choice for most clothes.
How long does the wash take?
About 30 minutes. You can sit over there and wait.
Perfect. Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here once a week. It's close to my apartment.
That's convenient. I just moved here last month.
Welcome. It takes some time to get used to a new place.
Yes, that's true. But people here are very friendly.
I'm glad to hear that. Oh, my laundry is done.
Nice. I think mine will be done soon too.
Good luck with your laundry.
Thank you so much for your help.
Anytime. Have a great day.
You too. Bye. Morning jog conversation.
Good morning, Jake. You're earlier than usual today.
Good morning, Emma. Yes, I decided to wake up early.
That's nice. Did you sleep well?
Not very well, but I wanted to come anyway.
I'm glad you did. Shall we start?
Yes. Let's begin slowly.
The weather feels really good this morning.
I agree. It's cool, but not cold.
Perfect for running.
Much better than yesterday. Yesterday was too hot.
I know. I felt tired very quickly.
Same here. Today feels easier.
How often do you run these days?
Usually 2 or 3 times a week. I'm trying to be more active.
That's a good habit.
Yes, running helps me stay healthy.
And it's good for the mind, too.
Exactly. I feel better after I run. There are many people here today.
Yes, a lot of people like morning exercise.
I understand why. It's quiet and peaceful.
And the air feels fresh. How is work going for you?
It's quite busy, but not too stressful.
That's good to hear.
Running helps me relax after a long day.
I feel the same way. It clears my head. How are you feeling now?
A little tired, but still comfortable.
That's normal. Just keep a steady pace.
Okay, thanks for the advice. Do you run every morning?
Almost every day. It's part of my routine now.
That's impressive.
It wasn't easy at first.
I hope I can do that too.
We're almost finished.
Really? Time passed quickly.
Talking makes running easier.
Yes, I enjoy running with you.
That was a good run.
Yes, I feel tired but happy.
Same time tomorrow?
Sure, I'll try my best.
Have a great day.
You too. Job interview.
Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Could you please introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Alex. I recently graduated from university, and I'm very interested in this position.
Thank you, Alex. Why do you want to work for our company?
I like your company culture, and I think this role matches my skills and interests.
That's good to hear. Can you tell me about your previous experience?
Yes, I worked as an intern last year, and I helped with daily tasks and team projects.
Sounds great. What do you think are your strengths?
I'm responsible, a good team player, and I'm always willing to learn new things.
Those are important qualities. What about your weaknesses?
Sometimes I'm a little nervous, but I'm working on improving my confidence.
That's very honest. How do you handle stress at work?
I try to stay organized, manage my time well, and ask for help when needed.
Good answer. Do you have any questions for us?
Yes, could you tell me more about the team I'll be working with?
Of course. You'll be working with a small and friendly team.
That sounds great. Thank you.
Thank you for coming today. We'll contact you soon.
Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you.